The fixed straight bar skull crusher is a great triceps exercise that provides high tension while the triceps are in a stretched position. Using an easy bar may be a better overall option, especially if you feel a strain on your wrists. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie flat on a bench with your feet flat on the floor and your head, upper back, and hips in contact with the bench. Grab the fixed straight bar with a shoulder width, overhand palms facing forward grip. To get into the starting position, extend your arms up with your elbows positioned slightly back towards your head rather than straight up over your shoulders. This will maintain tension on the triceps throughout the full range of motion. Under control, slowly bend your elbows to slowly arc the bar back and behind your head rather than down towards your forehead. Your upper arm should remain fixed with the only movement coming from the elbows. Avoid moving your elbows outward or allowing your upper arms to drift. Focus on keeping your elbows tucked in to isolate the triceps. Press through your triceps to extend your arms and return the bar to the starting position, keeping your elbows slightly back toward your head. Straighten your arms without completely locking your elbows at the top and squeeze the triceps. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.